How to use mobile hotspot on Android. So first, you just have to simply go to your settings. You can swipe down and then look for the gear icon. Tap this gear icon, and then here you have to scroll down. Here you have to click mobile network, and that is below Bluetooth. And then you will see here airplane mode, mobile data, SIM management, personal hotspot, data usage. Click personal hotspot. Now you will see your personal hotspot settings, connection management. So if you tap this personal hotspot, you can see your name. You can change this one. For security, you can change the password. If you want to change your password, you just have to tap and then don't forget to save. Okay, so also you can tap this connection management. If you want to blacklist a device, just add them right here. Maximum allowed connections, you can set this to 138, and also for data restriction, you can change this one. And basically that's it. That's how easy it is to use mobile hotspot on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.